Putzmeister is a company that builds concrete pumping machines around the world. Between Mack to Kriete to us, we put out a very high quality product. We care about that.
Mack is the most accepted truck in the industry, the concrete pumping industry. Getting a base truck from Mack and having the local Putzmeister crew actually complete the job for what we need is a winning recipe.
The engineering team at Mack works with Putzmeister very closely to get the specific truck we need. This is very important for us. It's a different animal, a concrete pump, versus a lot of the other trucks you see going down the road.
The advantage of working with Macks is we've been using them since '94, and they're the bread and butter. They're set for us. We work with them hand in hand to make sure that they fit to our truck and everything's how it should be. We can just plug our system in the interface, and with the new technologies, with the newer chassis, as well as our technology with the pumps, everything interfaces. They have it all set up, so it's very simple for us. Makes it really easy. It takes a lot of the pressure off of getting them going versus other manufacturers.